Well, hello everyone. It's Wade from Immersive E-commerce here. Have you ever wondered what's changed between two Shopify themes, maybe a production and a development theme, or a new theme that you've just bought off the store? If you want to compare the two, easily visualize the differences, and make changes, Diffy Theme Tools is the ticket. I'm going to run through a couple different scenarios today. A closing tag that would break a layout that we can find easily and correct, as well as an app script resource, something that was left over after you installed an app and then removed it. And you can't find this resource. You may want to clean it up for SEO. You may want to clean it up for page speed. It may just be something that's been bothering you and you like to keep a tidy house. Well, I'm going to run through both of these examples very quickly. Should just take a minute, correct the situation, and then boom, we're off to the rest of our day. Okay, so let's dive in. First example is a PDP that we're working on for Black Friday. Works fine in production. In the development version, we've got a hanging HTML tag. Obviously, we can't publish this. We could go through all of the different files and snippets and try to find this little tidbit. However, we're going to make it really easy. We're going to jump into Diffy, and we're going to compare the Black Friday sale theme with production. Now we're only going to select templates, sections, snippets, because they're going to hold the HTML and themes. And then what's happening now is Diffy is comparing both theme file sets to each other. You'll see a lot of equals in here. That means they're exactly alike. Next up, we find one, price.liquid, that looks like it might be the offending error. So you can see the badge that we're trying to insert, and you can also see in pink that there's a remove div tag. Let's open up price.liquid in both the development and production theme. And what we can do is scroll down to the place that we saw at line 33 in Diffy. You can see that it's in one, and we're missing that div tag in the other. So let's grab this right here from the production theme, jump over into the development theme right above this liquid, insert it and save. Asset saved. Let's see if that did the fix. Reload, and there it is. We just found and fixed that within a matter of seconds. Next one, we've got something near and dear to my heart. Sometimes you'll install an app on Shopify and uninstall it, and it'll lead a code snippet, a JavaScript resource, something like that. It may throw a nasty error, maybe affecting your Google page speed, your Lighthouse scores. What we want to do is get rid of this quickly and easily. And you don't necessarily know where it's installed. Many times it's in Theme Liquid. It can be in the product pages. You never really know. So what we're going to do is dive into Diffy. We're going to pull up our backup that we have from before and a copy of the theme that has the offending snippet. We're just going to look at layouts, templates, sections, and snippets and assets, leaving the config stuff out. We're going to run our diff check, start comparing all of the files and see what's changed since we installed and uninstalled this app from the beginning of time from our theme backup of Dawn when we got it. Right off the bat, you'll see that theme.liquid has a change. There's this tracking widget in here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up in the development theme, in the clone theme. And scroll down here to the line number that Diffy outputted. And we should find it in just a second. Here it is. Let's go ahead and remove this junk. Save it. So it's not rendering, but we also want to clean up the actual tracking file. There's no need to have it in the theme. It's not doing anything. It's not referenced. So let's keep scrolling down until we find the one that we just removed and click on it. All right, there it is. We're going to have to type in a couple things here, epic, and then there it is. Let's delete this. All right. So it's gone. All the junk's gone. We can move on to our day. It's just two of very many use cases for Diffy theme comparison. It also acts as a backup tool, and you can actually search theme files, one or many, for certain keywords, whether it's CSS or JavaScript. Check it out if you have a second. There's a free trial. There's a link in the description below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what it is and how it works. And if you're running any trouble or if you have an idea of how to make Diffy even better, put it in the comments or email me at wade@immersiveecommerce.com. Let's get in touch. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.